it's time to take our 1962 Cadillac Series 62 convertible for a test drive and point out some of the features in the car. The convertible boot fits very nicely, cleanly. All the door panels are in excellent condition and need nothing. Little wear spot right there, but nothing too serious. All the power windows work. Both the power seats work. Let's start her up. Okay, she's running right now. You can't even really hear it. It's so quiet. But here's the cruise control I was talking about. I don't know if it works or not. I tried it and it seemed to work once and then I couldn't get it to work again. So I'm not sure if it actually works or not, but nevertheless, just look at this dash and how clean it is and how beautiful, just everything from the steering wheel and all its, appointments, no cracks in the wheel. The dash face itself is in beautiful, like new condition. All the chrome on there is shiny and isn't pitted or rusty. The glove box and all of these things work like they should. The radio works, the factory AM radio. There's a speaker there, and then there's another speaker behind us here. And I'm not sure if that one works. I think it does. But I haven't messed with the radio all that much. It's got a clock there. I don't think that's working. The Autronic Eye is what is supposed to be kind of a flashy gimmick from the 60s that automatically dims your lights whenever it sees oncoming traffic. You can see all the air conditioning vents and the things of that nature. I'll put up, you can see the power windows. They work excellent. All four of them do the same thing. Okay. It does have a power antenna, which is activated by a switch underneath the dash here, and I think you can see it there. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get it to go up here. And there you are. You can see it going up. And then once it's up all the way, you turn it off. Okay, and it stays. And then you turn it the other way to bring it back down. Excuse me, there it goes down. And then your power antenna is down. So that still works. The power top works just like it should. Here's your wipers. They work like they should. Like I said, the air conditioning is going to need some work, but your temp gauge works. Your gas gauge works. It is a little bit inaccurate, and I can explain that in more detail, but it does work. And then with that, you can see that this is it's a 4-speed automatic transmission, not a 3-speed. So let's go ahead and give her a little drive. Now I'm going to talk with the convertible top down in a normal, soft tone of voice so that you can understand just how quiet this car drives. It's really amazing. It has the turn signals mounted in the hood, and those work. You can see the left one blinking right now. And I'll just do the right one for your benefit. You can see the right one over there blinking as well. Okay, we'll put the left one back on. The horn works. It sounds like it's straight out of a railroad locomotive. We blast it for you. It blasts. But this thing rides as smooth and as quiet as you can possibly imagine any 57-year-old car would ever drive. Even on the highway, it just floats like a couch. And really, it's quite reliable. I wouldn't hesitate to jump in this thing and drive it absolutely anywhere. You can see even the sun visors are in good shape. Carpet's in good shape. It does have the seat belts. Very easy to drive. The brakes stop beautifully. It doesn't pull to one side or the other. Signals turn off like they're supposed to. It's a true pleasure to drive this car. Very good condition. No rips, no tears in the leather at all. Still the original leather. Just simply drives beautifully. Still has even the original washer bottle. It's made out of glass. The lights all work, including the parking lights, the brake lights, the turn signals, everything. So I'm going to end our drive here, but you can hear the cicadas more than you can hear the vehicle. But this is the 1962 Cadillac convertible we've got for sale, and it's ready to go for those fall cruises. If you're interested, give me a call, 913-461-4890.